Section 4, AI versus human. Who wears the beret better?
So the big question is, can AI really replace human artists?
It's like comparing apples and, well, robots programmed to paint apples. Human artists pour their emotions, experiences, and perspectives into their work. It's what gives art its soul, its ability to move us.
AI, on the other hand, relies on data and algorithms. It can create technically stunning pieces, but it lacks that human touch, that spark of creativity that comes from lived experiences.
So while AI might be able to mimic artistic styles, it's unlikely to replace the depth and complexity of human art anytime soon.
Section 5 AI art, the good, the bad, and the pixelated.
Like that friend who borrows your clothes without asking, AI art comes with its own set of pros and cons.
On the plus side, it's incredibly accessible. With just a few clicks, anyone can become an artist, sort of. It also opens up a world of possibilities for collaboration between humans and machines.
Imagine a world where artists use AI as a tool to push their creative boundaries, generating new ideas and exploring uncharted artistic territories.
However, there are some ethical concerns. Who owns the copyright to AI-generated art? The programmer, the user, or the AI itself? And what about the potential for job displacement? These are questions we need to address as AI becomes more integrated into the art world.
Section 6. Will robots be accepting art commissions?
My final thoughts. So, what does the future hold for AI art? Will we be seeing robot Picassos and digital Da Vincis anytime soon? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is for certain. AI is here to stay. It's already changing the way we create and experience art. And I, for one, am excited to see what the future holds. Who knows, maybe one day I'll have my portrait painted by a robot. But hopefully, it'll be programmed to make me look at least 10 pounds thinner and with much better hair. A girl can dream, right?